Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to the hearts of many dreamers and doers out there: scaling your passive income streams. Whether you've already got a few streams trickling in, or you're just starting to explore the idea, assessing scalability is absolutely crucial. But here's the kicker: it's not just about making more money. It's really about creating sustainable systems that can grow without you having to work harder. I still remember when I first dipped my toes into passive income. The concept of scalability was far more nuanced than it appeared on the surface. And frankly, I craved a guide that didn't just skim the surface, but really dug deep. That's why I'm here to share what I've learned over the years, through teaching, learning, and yes, lots of trial and error. Along the way, we'll sprinkle in some personal anecdotes and real-world examples, not just from my journey, but also from those of my clients. I'm genuinely excited to share clever techniques that often get overlooked in the rush to make money fast. Now, the beauty of truly understanding scalability lies in recognizing that it's not a one-size-fits-all concept. What works brilliantly for a digital course creator might be totally unsuitable for someone building a rental property portfolio. Throughout our chat today, we'll explore these nuances with practical examples that you can immediately apply to your own situation. So let's get started. Let's begin with the basics. What exactly is scalability? It's all about how well your income stream can grow without being held back by its inherent structure or resource limitations. Imagine it like a robust tree that can keep growing because it has deep roots, ample sunlight, and enough space to expand its branches. For passive income, scalability means your earnings can increase significantly without a proportional or even substantial increase in your direct time or effort. But why does this matter so much? Well, in most cases, if your passive income isn't truly scalable, you might find yourself frustratingly stuck at a certain earning level. And who doesn't dream of real financial freedom, where your income isn't capped by the hours you can physically put in, right? To really get this concept, it's essential to understand the difference between linear and exponential growth. Linear growth means that for every additional hour you work or dollar you invest, you get a predictable, proportional return. Exponential growth, however, that's where the magic happens. Your returns compound and multiply, creating that coveted hockey stick growth curve that every entrepreneur dreams about. Consider the difference between a freelance consultant who trades time for money versus someone who creates a comprehensive online training program. The consultant hits a ceiling based on available hours, while the course creator can potentially serve thousands of students simultaneously without working additional hours. This fundamental distinction is what separates truly scalable passive income from glorified side hustles. So, how do you spot a genuinely scalable income stream? One insightful point a brilliant client shared with me years ago was the power of focusing on digital products. They're infinitely reproducible with minimal additional cost, making them a goldmine for scalability. For instance, a well-structured online course on a niche topic or an in-depth ebook offering practical solutions can be sold repeatedly, globally, without any extra effort from you once created. The online education market is projected to reach over $340 billion by 2025, highlighting this incredible growth potential. Another critical thing to consider is market demand. Is there a large enough, hungry audience for your product or service? If yes, you've certainly got the potential for scalability. What's surprisingly tricky, though, is balancing that demand with existing competition. You'll want to find that sweet spot where your offering is unique, yet deeply desired by a sizable group of people. That's where the magic happens. Let me share a concrete example from my own experience. I once worked with a client who created a simple PDF guide about urban gardening. Initially, It generated modest sales of around $200 per month. However, by expanding it into a comprehensive video course series, adding community access, and creating supplementary materials like plant care calendars and troubleshooting guides, the same core content began generating over $8,000 monthly within 6 months. The key was recognizing the scalable elements within the original idea and systematically building upon them. When evaluating potential income streams, look for these scalability indicators: network effects, where each new user makes the product more valuable for existing users; viral potential, meaning content or products that naturally encourage sharing; and platform independence, not being overly reliant on a single platform or marketplace. Subscription-based models often exhibit excellent scalability because they create predictable, recurring revenue that compounds over time. The most scalable passive income streams typically share 3 characteristics. They solve a persistent problem for a large audience. They can be delivered digitally or with minimal physical fulfillment, and they have built-in mechanisms for customer acquisition and retention. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, for example, demonstrate scalability through professional management and diversified property portfolios, while affiliate marketing scales through audience growth and strategic partnership development. Now, let's talk about some advanced strategies that can truly elevate your passive income game. One of the most effective, clever techniques I've consistently seen is leveraging automation tools. These aren't just fancy gadgets. They're powerful systems that can help you manage and grow your income streams without constant hands-on oversight. For example, automating your email marketing sequences or customer support FAQs can attract more customers and keep them happy with significantly less effort on your part. Modern automation goes far beyond simple email sequences. Consider implementing chatbots for customer service, automated social media posting schedules, and sophisticated sales funnels that nurture leads through multiple touchpoints. Tools like Zapier, ConvertKit, and ClickFunnels have revolutionized how entrepreneurs can scale their operations without proportionally scaling their workload. Also, diversifying your income streams isn't just about safety. It inherently enhances scalability. By not putting all your eggs in one basket, you can protect yourself against market fluctuations and open up new avenues for growth. My personal preference is to have at least 3 distinct streams, each with its own growth trajectory. The key is ensuring these streams complement rather than compete with each other for your attention and resources. One particularly powerful strategy I've observed is the creation of ecosystem businesses, where multiple income streams feed into and support each other. For instance, a fitness expert might create workout courses, sell nutritional supplements, offer coaching services, and license their content to other platforms. Each component strengthens the others, creating a synergistic effect that amplifies overall scalability. Another advanced technique involves leveraging data analytics to continuously optimize your income streams. By tracking key performance indicators like customer lifetime value and conversion rates, you can make informed decisions that enhance your business's scalability and profitability. So, as we wrap up today, remember that scalability isn't about working harder or faster. It's about working smarter, creating systems that empower you to grow your income without adding hours to your day. Whether you're just dipping your toes into passive income or looking to take your existing streams to the next level, focus on scalability. It's the key to unlocking real financial freedom and living life on your terms. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, here's to your scalable success.